Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can change your custom home virtual reality environment in your Oculus Quest 2 VR headset. First of all, over the cursor to the most left side of the dashboard. Now tap it and this will open a new window. In this window, tap the setting at the top right corner. Once you have done this, go to the left, scroll down until you see virtual environment. Now tap virtual environment and this will give you the option to see all the virtual environments, the custom homes available on your Oculus Quest or Oculus Quest 2 VR headset. From here, what you can do is apply if the custom home is already installed and you're going to see it straight away, or you can tap install and download it, and then it will be downloaded and then you can click apply again. Now to get more custom homes, first I recommend SideQuest app. There you're going to go to the games tab and then in the browse categories choose custom homes. There you're going to see countless amount of custom home virtual environments which you can download straight away to your device. Just make sure your device is connected either via cable or via Wi-Fi. There is an option for that. The other option which I recommend is finding Discord servers that are specialized in custom homes. Now we can also join Discord servers that are specialized in custom home virtual environments. For example, I found out about this Discord channel that has lots of custom home virtual environments which you can actually access and download. But just keep in mind, there should be plenty more. Hope that by now you know how to change and install and activate custom home virtual environments for your Oculus Quest 2 VR headset. If you find this one useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe. I'll see you very soon on the next video. Thanks for watching.